How to edit copyright text in Shopify Dawn theme footer. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit the copyright text in the Shopify Dawn theme footer in the easiest and most simplest way possible. Okay, because obviously the copyright text appears and it's not the greatest thing to have in your store. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to do this and go on edit code. Okay, now once you come to edit code in search files, you're going to write footer and you're going to come here, footer liquid. So once you go into footer liquid, you're going to hit the screen and you're going to write control F. So once you write control F, you're simply going to write copy right and you're going to find it. And here you can see it says footer copyright caption, right? So it's going to be roughly a 3-line code, okay? So once you find this code, as you can see, the copyright caption that it gives you is somewhere over here, and the content that it has to copy is pretty basic. So what and where do you write your own thing, okay? So to write your own thing, what you're going to be doing is you're going to do this, do exactly what I'm doing. You're going to add this over here. And once you add this, you're going to write your text. So let's say I'm going to write copyright, okay? And once, you write whatever you want to, I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, an asset is saved. That is basically how you're going to edit the copyright text. So now if I were to go to my online store, you're going to see that I am going to have my changes made. So I'm going to close this real quick. And look at that. There we go. Copyright. It's right there. So it just says copyright now. So that is basically how you can edit copyright text in your Shopify store and specifically your Dawn theme. So thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.